Members of the Northwest Inclusive Education Community of Practice have been enjoined to double efforts towards making education accessible to children with impairments. This was in a 3-day workshop at the Baptist Center in Nkwen on inclusive education practices recently.
This 3-day seminar has really changed my idea about people with disabilities and impairment. First of all, the way the seminar has impacted on me knowledge on how to first welcome them. The notion we had about them, I have changed. I have a different notion. And if I go back to my classroom to see them, I'll be happy because I've been given a task to impact knowledge on somebody that I will learn while impacting the knowledge on.
According to a study by Mark Taggart, out-of-school rate for children with disabilities stands at 40% compared to 3% for children without disabilities in the region. And so to have more children with disabilities in the classroom, there has to be a change in strategy.
And we have been taught here how to encourage learners with disabilities. The strategy we're using at our center, our levels of the level of the school, we're going to modify it and make sure it go more inclusive and more friendly to students with disabilities. With the various teaching strategies which we have been told, we're going to make sure we take another small seminar at the level of the staff meeting to let teachers understand how to include, to infuse in their lessons the aspects which you have learned here so that students with disability will be inclusive during their lessons and teaching.
The workshop was at the end of the 2021-2022 academic year, a time for education actors to evaluate and prepare for the next academic year.
My main call or the main appeal that I have to them, especially at this moment that I just came to launch the workshop, is to first of all express gratitude for the work they've done so far and to let them understand that we've reached a crucial point where we need to re-evaluate and re-equip ourselves sufficiently in order to meet the needs of these learners with disabilities, considering that we'll be looking up to a new school year come September this year. So consequently, the inputs we're receiving here, which are inputs which are invaluable and very heavy and very serious inputs, are inputs that I expect that they would have to put into practice as soon as schools resume.